let a gal mille. Just get ready to work. Send me up.
Sabi mo lalaki ka. Ba't palagi mo sinasabi tite? Ba't lagi mo sinasabi tite?
Halika nga, mag-usap nga tayo dito. Nanggigigil talaga ako, Day. Ako lang ba? Ako lang ba yung nata-turn on sa red flags? Ayan, karupukan. Yung tipong sinasaktan ka na, pero G pa din. Tapos kahit nagpapakita na lahat ng red flags, wala eh. Gusto mo talaga siya eh. So pipilitin mo pa din. Kilala kita. Kilala ko yung ugali mo ha. Tapos dadating sa point na hindi na kayo laging nag-uusap pero mag-update pa din. Kilala kita. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, tigil mo yan, Day. Joke lang ako din.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss that on a holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you, shawty, with you, shawty, with you, under the mistletoe.
I don't know who you are, and I don't know why you followed me, but...
Come follow me to a secret place.